Hi, this is George from Preston Audi, and today I'll be taking you on a 360-degree walk around and interior video of this absolutely gorgeous approved used Audi A5 Cabriolet S-Line with the 2-litre TDI 190 PS engine and S-tronic gearbox. As it's an approved used Audi, it will come with 1 year warranty, 1 year MOT cover and 1 year roadside assistance, and if you're interested in this beautiful car, please contact us on 01772 911 340. This A5 has LED headlights for high quality illumination of the road ahead in all sorts of road conditions, as well as the sleek S-Line styling, including this edgier front bumper, which further refines the sleek and sporty looks of this A5's front end. And here we have the optional 19-inch multi-spoke design alloy wheels, which look absolutely superb and complement the sleek and sporty finish of this A5 beautifully. The door mirrors are also optional extras as they're folding, heated and electrically adjustable for your convenience. And moving into the rear interior of the car, you can see the rear seats, which are finished in the gorgeous black leather and Alcantara combination with contrast rock grey stitching, which look absolutely superb but are also comfortable and supportive too, and feature ISOFIX mounting points to safely secure child seats, as well as the rear zone of the free-zone climate control, so your rear passengers can find a perfect temperature for themselves too. Moving round to the back of this A5, the sleek and sporty looks continue, with the S-Line spoiler lip as well as the S-Line rear diffuser, making for an edgier and sportier look, and the dynamic rear indicators also make you stand out even further on the road. And moving on, we have the boot, which is relatively large and spacious, with 380 litres of capacity, plenty of space for your shopping, everyday items, or perhaps even a suitcase as well. And personally, I love the Pearl Effect Daytona Grey paint finish of this A5 as it contrasts nicely against the black cloth roof and looks absolutely superb on any car. Moving into the front interior of this car, you can see the dashboard, which is finished with matte brushed aluminium inlays with aluminium trim, which really refine the look of this interior, which is even furthered by the absolutely gorgeous front sports seats, finished in the same stylish combination of black Alcantara and leather as the rear. And again, not only do they just look great, they're comfortable and supportive as well, with electrical adjustability and 4-way lumbar support for extra comfort on every single journey that you take. That concludes this 360-degree walk-around section of this absolutely gorgeous approved used Audi A5 Cabriolet S-Line finished in Pearl Effect Daytona Grey. I'm now going to go into more detail on the technology and controls on offer within this gorgeous car. Here we have the controls for the optional folding, heated and electrically adjustable door mirrors. And here we have the controls for the LED headlights as well. This is the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, which is optionally flat-bottomed and finished in black perforated leather. And these buttons on the left and right mean you can easily take a phone call without having to take your hands off of the wheel. Here we have the paddle gear shifters, which allow for a more involving driving experience if you wish. And this is the cruise control, which helps make those longer motorway journeys that bit easier. This is the colour driver's information system display, where you can choose the display of your preference using the buttons shown before, perfect for finding journey information whilst you're on the go. Moving to our left, we have the 7-inch MMI display, where you can access satellite navigation to help guide you to your destination. We also have DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations in high quality, telephone connectivity to easily take calls on the go, just like I mentioned before, external media connectivity so you can listen to your favourite content from your phone, for example, and the Audi smartphone interface so you can connect to your phone via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto to make the most of apps optimised for use in the car. We also have the Audi Drive Select menu so you can choose your favourite driving profile. Personally, my favourite is Dynamic as it offers the most engaging driving experience. With just a press of a button, you can also bring up the front and rear parking sensors on demand, which helps make parking an absolute breeze. Below that, we have the controls for the free-zone climate control, which are easy to use and allow you and your passengers to individually find a perfect temperature for yourselves. We have the heated front seats, a perfect feature for those colder winter mornings. Moving further down, we have a couple of cup holders, the easy-to-use MMI controls, the slick S-tronic gear shifter, and underneath the central armrest there is plenty of storage as well. Other key features of this A5 include the Audi Presense City and multi-collision brake assist for extra safety and peace of mind on every single journey that you take. And of course, the centerpiece feature of this beautiful A5 is the electrically folding roof, which takes under 20 seconds and can be done at speeds up to 30 miles per hour. It's a perfect feature for those clearer summer days and a feature that your kids are absolutely guaranteed to love. That concludes this 360-degree walk around and interior video of this absolutely gorgeous approved used Audi A5 Cabriolet S-Line finished in Pearl Effect Daytona Grey. If you'd like to book a viewing, a test drive or arrange for a personalised finance quote, please give Preston Audi a call on 01772 911 340. Thank you for watching this video.